What is innovation in manufacturing? Who are the drivers of innovation? Where do the smartest ideas come from, and how do we contribute to innovation in Europe? Many SMEs and startups that have high-tech, smart, innovative, and competitive solutions that could solve many manufacturing challenges, lack of the visibility, the network, and the exposure to reach those clients, investors, and partners they could collaborate with. Moreover, some of them lack of the tools and channels to make their mission heard and understood by those that are willing to bet in their solutions. I'm Oriana Rodriguez. I work at Aerospace Valley, and we, together with 7 other partners from different regions of Europe and coming from research, industry, and academic sectors, have engaged on the mission of building a structured program to support these technology-based companies into their business acceleration journey, therefore giving them the tools to become the future European gazelles. GAZELLE Accelerator was then born as an acceleration program, which provides these SMEs and startups with the support and tools to excel their businesses and trigger effective connections while introducing their competitive solutions into the EIT Manufacturing network. By participating into our program, these SMEs and startups get benefit of coaching sessions and networking events aiming to complete an agenda of business, innovation, and internationalization support. With EIT funding and support, GAZELLE Accelerator was able to support 46 companies in 2 acceleration programs in 2020. These technology-based companies have expertise in technology areas that would transform and accelerate the European industry into the digital era. In 2021, GAZELLE Accelerator aims to support more SMEs and startups, boosting their ideas and solutions into the next level. Would you like to collaborate with these 46 companies? Would you like to integrate our program in 2021? Please reach us and visit our virtual booth in the Expo. We aim to be the GAZELLE Accelerator support program to promote and access innovation within EIT Manufacturing Network, contributing to our main goal of making Europe the global manufacturing innovation leader. Thank you.